Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are back in the kitchen. It's Alex, it's Nick. What are we making today?
We are making the Mass Attack, Alex. Mass Attack. So the boys and girls with the fast metabolism. And I say boys and girls because it's normally the younger folks with that crazy fast metabolism. So we're looking at
the hard gainers.
The hard gainers. So we're looking at getting 5 to 6 meals a day in. If you're too busy, you might be at university, you might be at school, you might be working, I'm not sure what it is. It's not my business what you're doing, but if you're too busy to get 6 solid meals in a day, always great to get a couple of Mass Attack shakes in. One particularly after the workout, which I'd mix in water post-workout to improve the speed of digestion. However, this is a delicious mass gaining shake, let me tell you.
I mean, you've got peanut butter, so I'm already in.
Shut the gates. As soon as you put peanut butter in a shake, it's all over.
I'm done.
Yeah, you are done. So 400 mils of raw milk, not just any old milk.
This is the good stuff.
This is the good
This
stuff.
is the Norco, full grade, full cream, full flavor.
We don't use the cheap stuff in this kitchen, folks. We do not use the cheap stuff. 400 mils.
We are not skimping.
Of high quality.
And I'm eyeballing that because
raw milk.
I'm a master at it.
2 level scoops of the Gen-Tec Pro Mass for the Mass Attack. Any mass gainer is great. However, I've got to say I'm a little biased with the Gen-Tec products. We use the high quality New Zealand whey, New Zealand milk proteins. We add the egg white protein in here. There's 5 proteins, 4 carbohydrate sources, the main one of which is sweet potato, so high quality. We do have some fats in here from MCTs, 6 grams. However, let's get a bit of extra fat into us.
You know they call the sweet potato kumara in New Zealand as well.
That's right, yeah, you know it.
I was coming here.
You know it.
Because I'm going to get generous with the peanut butter.
Don't be shy, my friend. Do not be shy.
We've got it. You can't skimp on the peanut butter team. We're going to put a little bit extra. Right. But yeah, I was coming into Australia. I was asking people for the kumara. They said, "What's that?" I said, "Sweet potato." They said, "Why didn't you say so?"
That's all you had. That's all you had to say here.
It's
but the Kiwis, you got to love the Kiwis.
You do. They're great products.
Oh, great! And the dairy is beautiful. Not that this is from New Zealand, but the dairy protein's the best in the world.
Yeah.
Now, also, I would add, if you have it and your choice, I'd add a natural yogurt to this. The Greek yogurt. The Greeks invented bodybuilding, along with everything else. Just ask a Greek, they'll tell you.
The true gods.
Yes, true. Yes. Oh, mate, don't get me started on the gods. All right, let's blend that up, Hercules. 30 seconds.
Let's add some in because we've not got the oats, Nick. Let's add some, guys, again, optional, but carbs, you know, why not?
Why not?
We'll add a few dates while we've got the ingredients here. Again, you don't have to do this. As you said, Nick, we've got the yogurt we could have put in there.
Butter, we've got, maybe put some almonds in.
It's gonna work.
Put some almonds in as well, why not?
We'll put a few almonds in there.
Don't be shy.
We'll put a bit of cacao just to really enhance the chocolate flavor of the
See, now this is really getting good.
And do we need our magic ingredient?
We do. We do. To make a great shake, folks, you know it. We've shared the secret. Let's get it back out. There we go.
There we go. Just a little bit, not too much, because this one's going to be thick.
We're going to blow up the magic bullet with this. I can
tell
see
you what,
it.
If this wasn't magic, this wouldn't work. I just like to do a little. Initially shake the ingredients.
I thought that was sweat.
What?
We're working hard in the kitchen.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, now she's ready.
While you're blending that, I'm thinking we've lost the plot with this shake. We've put every ingredient under the sun in this Mass Attack shake, but that's what you can do, folks. With a Mass Attack to bump the calories up, you can add some dates, add some nuts.
Smell that. You smell the peanut butter.
Oh, dude, I knew this is going to be really good. Really, my goodness.
Look at that. Look at
my goodness. This is a meal. You can almost cut this with a knife. Eat it with a knife and fork.
Smell the fats. That's good.
Oh, yeah.
Peanut butter. And like you said, for people who struggle to get the calories in,
yes,
a really quick, easy way to get the calories in. Guys, I think we're going to cheers this one to the hard gainers.
To the hard gainers. God bless you, hard gainers. I reckon we're providing about 700 calories of high quality nutrients in the Mass Attack.
Oh yeah, that's rich.
That's
nice.
like a Snickers bar in a shake.
That is the Snickers.
That's like a Snickers bar in a shake. That's unbelievable. You're going to enjoy this, guys. Get into it.